Hey guys, myself Mukesh, and today I'm going to show you how to create login logout system in PHP. So let's get started. So first you need to design login page like this. You can customize as per your requirement. Here I'm showing you I created 4 pages. First is login page, then logout page, then product page and welcome page. Okay, this is my login page which only contain the designing part of the login page. No PHP code is here. You can see some CSS code, style code. Okay, I'm applying to table. You can apply as per your requirement. Here you can say one form is created, and inside that form I created one table in which table header was login and table data was username, and second table data was my text box for username. After that, password and the text box for password, which type is password. Okay, means data is hidden from the user. And then submit button. Okay, submit button whose value is login and align is right. Form action is welcome.php, means on click of login button our page is redirected to welcome.php and method was post. Okay, now see welcome.php, what it contains. First, username and password variable I here set it to static, means my username and password was static. I set it to admin and admin. You can set by database, fetching username and password from database and set it to the username variable or password variable. Okay, after that I started one session by session underscore start function. This is the built-in function of PHP. Okay, after that I am going to checking if session uname, this global variable, is set or not. Okay, is set means user is login. Okay, already login, and if not, then user was not logged in. It need to start or set my session variable. For that I am going to checking if username entered in the login page and fetched or my static username and the password is matched, then I'm going to set my session variable. Otherwise I am going to redirect user to login page. Okay, and one alert message is displayed to the user that username or password incorrect. Okay, after setting my session I need to reload my page, so I am redirecting my page to page itself. Okay, this is the script, javascript through I am redirecting to the page. Okay, location.href is equal to welcome.php. Once the session is setted, my content of page is displayed. Okay, what is my content page? Here you can set according your requirement. Here just for your educational purpose or demo purpose I am going to set some small content, just as welcome message in h1 tag and $_ session username, whatever username is there, it is displayed here. And one I set one link for a product page. Okay, product page I set one link to redirect from this page to other page after login. Without login user cannot access this page, so we are using here session. Okay, now after that logout button, one button for logout is there. Okay, which is associated to logout.php page. Now see this page. Okay, this is the login. Once we are entering username and password, we enter here wrong password and try to log in. You can see username or password incorrect. okay, without entering username password. Also it is, you can set here your JavaScript to check here it required a validation. Here I am not using it. Okay, now entering right username and password, admin. Okay, it is match, session was start and page was reloaded, session is setted, so the data is displayed. Welcome admin, my username and the product link, and the one button is logout. Okay, now what is in product? Okay, session will be started. To access the session variable, we need to start one session, then and then we can access the session variable. Now checking is set a session, then and then my content is displayed, otherwise I going to redirect login.php. Okay, session is setted, so welcome message, you can set here any custom you want. I just use some demo content. Welcome message, after that I'm echoing one button for going back, okay, which is associated to the welcome.php welcome page. Okay, now going to logout page. So first we see the product page. Okay, we can access product page because we are login, and after back to welcome page. Okay, what in the logout, session will be started to access the session variable. Now we going to check if session is set. If session is set, then we destroy the session. Okay, otherwise we redirect user to the login page. Okay, you can see here, and if set, then destroy the session and redirect user to the login.php page. Okay, now you can see here practically logout. Yeah, you can see that user is logged out. Now user cannot log in, okay, or cannot access any other page directly without login. Say welcome.php, you can see cannot access user. Now accessing product page. Say without login user cannot access any other page. So this is the main use of session. Okay, now we entering the right username and admin login, so session is started. After that session is started, so user no need to log in again. Okay, user if enter username or not entering password, then also it will be a login. If user entering wrong username and password, then also it will be a login. Okay, after logout user cannot log in again without right credential. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like, then subscribe my channel, share my video. Thank you guys.